And welcome back to the 10x Gaming Show. Let's get right into another one. Guys, today is Wednesday, January 28th, and we've got gold making all-time highs at $5,534. Absolutely amazing. We've got silver at an all-time high of $117, and we also have copper at an all-time high of $6.15. Guys, I want to go over what this means. What does this mean? Copper, silver, gold, all making all-time highs at the exact same time. Well, guys, this signals a very, very loud macro signal. We've got a lot going on, guys. If we take a look at the DXY, the value of the dollar, and this is on the monthly time frame, it is breaking down right now. And guys, with the DXY breaking down as the key catalyst here, we've got gold going up, the dollar losing purchasing power here. Gold at an all-time high, silver, copper at an all-time high. Could be the same as a loss of confidence signal. When gold makes all-time highs, it usually means declining trust in fiat currencies, hedging against debt, inflation, or policy risk. Central banks, institutions accumulating, and not just traders. So gold is leading with the markets right now, saying something structural is wrong is what it's saying. Silver is also confirming this. We've got, silver is a monetary metal and an industrial metal. And when silver breaks out with gold at the same time, the move has legs. There's risk appetite increasing. A lot of speculators are stepping in after smart money already positioned. Silver is confirming gold, or silver confirming gold is usually bullish continuation for gold, not just a top. And then, guys, plus we've got copper making all-time highs right now. And this can signal growth, stress, inflation, tensions. Copper is a wild card, and the most important confirmation here, the fact that we have copper now making all-time highs, means inflation is embedded, not transitory here. It also means there's a massive demand from infrastructure, AI, data centers. Copper, is in so many different components to our heating and cooling systems, everything like that. A lot of the supply constraints are real. Copper doesn't lie. If copper is ripping, the real economy is under pressure. And they're lying to us. They're saying the economy's fine, guys. The economy is under pressure. And altogether, we've got all three here, gold, silver, copper, all making all-time highs simultaneously. And this usually signals long-term currency debasement like we're seeing right now with the US dollar. We're seeing structural inflation take place, capital rotating into real assets, and we have yet to see a lot of this capital rotate into other real assets. And then this can also signal, guys, early or mid cycle of a hard asset super cycle. So it's a macro shift here, what we got going on. And guys, historically, we have commodities like this, gold, silver, and copper. They're all leading. Gold breaks first, then silver, then capital looks for scarce portable alternatives. This is the environment where Bitcoin narrative strengthens. Bitcoin, the money could be flowing into Bitcoin from there, XRP and other cryptocurrencies. And they start getting their attention after the metals take rise. So we should be seeing XRP move, money flowing in from these metals to the crypto market very, very soon here. Guys, as you can see right now, we've got XRP currently at $1 and about 187. So wow, it's actually dropping right now. Just now seeing this, XRP is dropping right now. We really need to hold this level of support at $1.80. But yeah, guys, altogether, we've got the dollar weakening, we've got structural inflation, we got real asset repricing, we've got early innings of a macro regime shift. This could be the start of a new financial system with XRP as the backbone. You know, this is honestly crazy what we're seeing right now. We don't see it very often. If we dive over to X here, we have breaking the US dollar index has now broken its 15-year uptrend. This is happening due to Japanese yen strength, along with the IMF warning of a rapid sell-off of US dollar assets. Monthly candle closes in 3 days. If it closes below this trend line, the dollar could crash hard. And this is when it was at 96.2. If we take a look right now, we're at 96.2, so we're at the same level. So guys, then we are at the brink of a potential even further crash for the US dollar. We've got the Fed is signaling yen intervention again, just like 1985. Last time this crashed the dollar by nearly 50%. And guys, the powers that be, they want to crash the dollar on purpose. And this is going to be hard on the economy. As you know, our purchasing power will go down a ton. I mean, what we work for, what our economy runs on, you know, the #1 currency in the world, losing its value by 50% is insane. And this is all to usher in a new financial system with XRP as the backbone. Let's see, guys, what else do we got here? We've got the dollar losing value. Holding USD literally means losing purchasing power against the rest of the world. Your money buys less over time, as we were just saying. But here's the key point right now. Stocks are at all-time highs. Precious metals are at all-time highs. Crypto is still near the lows. And why is that, guys? It makes crypto the best risk-to-reward option on the table. You shouldn't chase strength. You're supposed to position before it. And guys, a lot of this wealth that is in stocks and in bonds and metals is going to shift over to crypto. And we're going to see one of the biggest wealth transfers in the history of humanity with crypto. We've got XRP breakout and backtest on the hourly done. We may very well get a pump back to $2 and above. So we're hoping this plays out. I know it's falling down right now. We really need it to hold $1.80, $1.82 level for XRP. But that's it for today, guys. Just wanted to go over real quickly more of a macroeconomic viewpoint of gold, silver, and copper. They're making all-time highs, and what this actually might mean, along with the dollar being the biggest catalyst, falling down as these three metals are making new all-time highs. It's a huge macro signal, and there's a lot of uncertainty going on. There's, you know, this could definitely be signaling a potential large crash brewing to come. I do appreciate each and every one of you guys tuning in, subscribing to the channel, and I will see you in the next one. Until next time.